Welcome back to my channel. I want to say thank you guys so much for all your support. You come every single week, watch my videos, like them, leave comments. I really appreciate that. And the channel is growing so much, and I thank you so much for that. But let's get into the specs of this hair. This is another sponsored video by Seriya Hair. They're a seller on Amazon, and I also linked the link down below directly to their website so you can get right to this hair. So the name of this hair is Nufauxlocs crochet hair. Yes, I said it right. It is crochet hair. Can you believe it? Now the specs of this hair. This is the 18 inch long. I love this length because it's perfect on me. Not too long, not too short. But they have all different types of lengths. They have different colors. But this happened to be a 1B. So it came in a pack of six bundles, and in that 6 bundles total was 126 pieces, which is enough for a full head. And I have a big head, so this is enough for my entire head. But the best part about this hair that you will not believe, it costs less than $25. Yes, you heard it right, less than $25. So if you want to see how I achieved this look for under $25 and in about 3 hours, you just keep on watching.
Okay, here I just start by sewing the ends down, which is totally optional. If you don't know how to sew, this is not required. This is just something I chose to do, to sew those ends down so they wouldn't be in the way. And this is the end braid pattern here, as I always do my regular braid pattern. I have 3 in the front, 3 rubber bands in the front, and braid it straight back. This is the bundles of hair that came. It came in this package, in the Amazon pack, of course, and it has 6 bundles of hair actually in there, 21 pieces each, which was a total of 126 pieces. Then they give you a lot of hair jewels, which are so cute to put on your hair when you're done. They give like 3 bags, which is plenty. And then they give you the little bill clips, of course, and then the crochet needle. And here I am just putting these in. I start from the back and work my way to the front. It's completely optional how you do it, but that's how I choose to do it. So this is the first part of my head that I finished, the first 4 braids on the right side. And again, you can start from the front if you like, but I like to start from the back just so I know, what's what and how to make it even and stuff like that. And then here I had 4 braids to go. So I was just showing you the 4 braids that I had left to go. And then shortly after that, I'll be all done with the whole back. And what I used was a 2-finger method when I did the back. The back is all done, and I just wanted to make sure that I didn't put them too close or too far apart. So I just did the 2-finger method and then went back in and filled them in if I needed to. Here is where I use the edge booster, the style factor, my favorite edge control. I'm just putting that on the ends right there before I start putting in the rest of those braids in the front. And then in the front, I usually just put 1 braid per square, just one braid per square. And then I go back and fill it in. If I see if it looks spacious or gappy, then I'll go back and fill them in. So here I am 3/4 of the way done. I've done the 4 in the front, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go on the left side, and then I'll be all done. Again, this hair is by Seriya Hair, and they're a seller on Amazon, so make sure you check them out. But the best part about this hair, $25. Cannot beat it. Cannot beat that with a stick. So here we go. I'm doing my very last braid here, and I just have to find the end. And I will slow it down and do it in slow motion just in case you didn't see my previous videos. Matter of fact, you can go down below and click on them so you can see the previous videos where I show you step by step how to do this. So you're just putting the crochet needle in through your hair, and I put this one in front of that rubber band. You hook that hair onto the needle and make sure that the needle is closed. That's why it took me so long to get it right here because I was trying to make sure that needle is closed because it hurts if you pull it through and it's not. So then at this point, you just find that the loop that's in each of these crochet braids, and then you pull the other hair through, and then you are all done. And then you have a set braid that's not going anywhere no time soon. See, nice and tight. And then again, this hair is less than $25. I keep putting that up there because it's like unbelievable to me. But so anyway, less than 25 bucks. And this is 18 inches. And this is the color 1B. And they come in a variety of colors from, you know, like a brownish to a red to a blonde. So they come in a lot of different colors. And here I'm just kind of tossing the hair around, just trying to get it in a little style. And I'll give you a couple of styles coming up here in a minute, and you'll see just how I did each one. And here was the top knot, half up, half down combo that I did. You can see them all done, and it looks great. Put the little jewels in there, it looks amazing. And then that was the top knot, and now half up, half down, which is my favorite style. And then here, what am I doing? Then I take it down, and this hair is so easy. It's so light. It's so manageable. This hair is amazing, guys. Like seriously, for $25, you cannot beat it. A great holiday hairdo. So this is a deep side part, a deep left side part that I did right there. And over here, all I'm doing is all on one side. I just did it all to the left side. You can do it on the right, whichever one is your favorite, of course. But yeah, so like I said, it's easy, it's light, it's not heavy. It's amazing. Seriya hair. Make sure you check them out. And then here, just showing you how light and easy they are and easy to move around. It doesn't hurt. My head is not sore. Anything like that. It is amazing. But here's that middle part thing again, guys. We talked about this before. I'm just not a middle part person. Not a middle part person. But that actually looks cute. I like it. Go on ahead, middle part. And here I'm just showing you how you can put it back in a ponytail. I did wear it like that as well, back in a ponytail. It's not too thick or anything. It is perfect for a little ponytail you want to run to the gym or whatever you need to do. And that is it. Seriya hair, y'all. 18 inches, 1B. Make sure you check them out. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe.